Hello again. Well, I don't know if you see any of my other videos, but I've been listening to you for quite some time now, enjoying the Little Dot Mark II valve headphone amplifier. And looking online, there's lots of stuff about tube rolling, where you take one set of tubes and put another lot in. So I thought I'd give it a go. I've always been a bit kind of worried about this because I'm notoriously ham-fisted, and as I can imagine myself pushing this glass tube in a socket and it breaking, and shards of glass in my fingers and all sorts of stuff. Anyway, so I thought I'd have a go, and I went online and looked, and what a lot of people recommend are Russian new old stock tubes, and they've got to be matched. And I bought some of these, and these are Voskhod, I believe. I think Voskhod was an early Russian spacecraft, and from about the 60s or something. And indeed, this does look very sort of 1950s, 60s sci-fi. Came in this tube, and this is apparently new old stock military spec. And I was kind of wondering why, because apparently these still been made up to fairly recently, why the Russians military would want valves. And apparently it's something to do with if you get a nuclear attack, then you get this sort of electromagnetic pulse which can knock out transistors but not valves. So if you get an air defense radar or something, you don't want to be knocked out, you make it with valves. Anyway, so I got it, and this isn't actually the valve, this is the Chinese valve I took out. And obviously I used gloves, but it was actually incredibly easy just to pop one out and pop this in. And I got two for the driver valves rather than the power valves. And the other thing it came with is this sort of nice sort of Russian spec sheet with lots of Russian stuff, which I'm having a look on Google Translate. It's all the it's all the sort of the specifications. Anyway, I was a bit skeptical as to how much changing one valve or one set of valves was going to do, but I have to say, I've heard the sound, and now I'm a believer, as it were. It made a bigger change than I thought, changing up the stock Chinese valves for these Russian ones. I thought the instant positioning was better, and it had a sort of more rounded, warm, or organic, maybe valvey sound. So it's definitely made a big change, and a bigger change than I thought to the sound. So what I've done now is I've written off to, I think, Ukraine, and ordered some driver tubes, some power tubes, and I'm going to try them and see if they make a difference. I'll let you know. Thanks for watching.